Uber Eats Orders app. So how to install it? So this is the app not for ordering food, but basically if you own a business, cafe, restaurant, and you just sign up as a partner for Uber Eats, this is the very handy app to just manage all your orders just from your fingertips. Look into order now. So if you're just looking for orders, just get Uber Eats. But this is the app this is a business app. This app allows you to manage your business's order on Uber Eats in a single centralized place. Whether you'd rather have a single device in your store, an app that all your staff can use on their own phones, Uber Eats orders flexes to fit to your unique needs. So that's the idea. And then, yep, you can just open it up, and then you can use Bluetooth, and then just log in or tap to become a restaurant partner. And then store address, store name, and then you just basically need to sign up as a partner for restaurant business. And then also it works with delivery partners. Delivery people using the Uber platform pick up their order from your restaurant, then deliver it to the customer, and that's it. So tell us about your restaurant, upload your menu, access restaurant dashboard, and go live. So that's the idea. How long does it become? It can be the fastest in few days. How does the pricing work? And yeah, you can just see that. So yep, that's basically the idea here. And that's how you can unlock new revenue streams for your restaurant.